Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Yay! At Certified Performance and Auto Repair, we know you love your car. You keep it sparkling clean on the outside, tidy on the inside, and you're pretty good about getting those oil changes done. But did you know there's a whole system of other vital fluids working hard under the hood? Ignoring them can lead to some serious headaches and even more serious repair bills. Think of these fluids as your vehicle's lifeblood. Each one has a critical job, and over time they break down, get contaminated, and lose their effectiveness. You already know about engine oil, but let's talk about the other key players. First up, transmission fluid. This is what keeps all the complex gears in your transmission lubricated and cool, ensuring smooth shifts. If you neglect it, you're looking at overheating, jerky gear changes, and eventually, a catastrophic failure that costs thousands to fix. Next, brake fluid. This hydraulic fluid is what actually stops your car when you hit the pedal. But here's the thing, it absorbs moisture from the air over time, and that moisture can cause rust in your brake lines and make your brakes less effective, which is a huge safety risk. You need your brakes to work perfectly every single time. Then there's your coolant, or antifreeze. It is the unsung hero that keeps your engine from overheating in the summer and freezing solid in the winter. Old coolant loses its anti-corrosive properties, which can lead to severe engine damage, like a cracked block or a blown head gasket. Finally, for many cars, there's power steering fluid. This is what makes turning your steering wheel feel effortless. When this fluid gets old or low, you might hear a whining noise, and steering can become stiff and difficult. Eventually, it can damage expensive parts, like the power steering pump. So, what's the upside of staying on top of all this? Well, timely fluid service is one of the smartest things you can do for your car. For starters, it prevents incredibly expensive repairs. A fluid flush costs just a fraction of replacing a transmission or an engine. It also boosts performance and even fuel efficiency because everything is running smoothly without extra friction. Most importantly, it enhances your safety. Fresh brake fluid means you can count on your brakes when you need them most. And in the long run, it extends the life of your vehicle, protecting your investment and keeping its resale value up. Don't wait for a strange noise or a warning light to pop up. Check your owner's manual for your car's specific service schedule. Or better yet, let our certified technicians here at Certified Performance and Auto Repair take the guesswork out of it for you. We can inspect all your fluids and get them flushed and filled with the right stuff. Protect your ride and your wallet. Schedule your fluid service with us today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more car care tips, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe.